Hey guys, so today I'm going to use this Ayurveda Informatics platform and see what it has and how it helps me in finding out the plants and other ingredients from Ayurvedic knowledge base. So let's get started while I click here. So I have to log in either through my Facebook or my Gmail account. So I choose to through my Gmail account. So here it shows me through which account I want to log in. I select my account over here through which I want to log in. While I log in, it allows me to this plant search option where I can search for a plant using its botanical name or the plant name through its English name or its Sanskrit name, right? So let's search using its botanical name. I search for Emblica officinalis. You can also see that it allows for auto suggestion. It helps me by auto suggestion, auto suggesting. So I select over here. Now to move forward, either I can click go or maybe I can submit here. So let's start from here. Let's click go. Now here, like I see, there are two database for Implica official list because it shows the different for the different part used. So I click over here, Amlaki. Now this is the complete database, the knowledge of Amlaki. That's been mentioned in Ayurveda, right? So you can see this part, Amlaki officials, has been highlighted because I entered, being a user, what you enter gets highlighted in the output. So let's go step by step and see what data is it all have. So first is the Sanskrit name, then it's the botanical name, then I click the description over here. Here I can see there's a botanical description, microscopic and microscopic description of this particular plant. Now moving a bit lower. So in the first page, so like you can see there are four sections of information over here. First is our general information. Second is the Dravyaguna information. Third is the common names. Then the scientific classification. In the first set of information, we have the part for which the data has been given. Right? The plant has different part like root, shoot, fruit, flower, etc. Right? So this is the information for fresh fruit pulp of this Imblica officinalis. So where do we find? So the distribution and habitat of this plant is mixed deciduous forest throughout India. Diseases for which this particular ingredient is been indicated is Rakta-pitta, bleeding disorder, Amla-pitta, hyperacidity. So in this database, you can see there is some terminology and also the English medical, modern medical science terminology, right? And the dosage is also given 10 to 20 gram of the drug, 5 to 10 ml for fresh juice. Then we have the Ayurvedic formulation in which this particular ingredient has been used, so that is Chyawanprash. The chemical constituent, like the bioactive compounds which is present in this particular plant part, fresh pulp is ascorbic acid, like we all know that. Yes, and the tannins. Then other data is also available. Some of the data is not right now, maybe like updated. Now moving toward the second section of this database, I click over here, Dravyaguna. This is basically the nutritional uh, terminology, like to understand this particular ingredient. So karma is a physiological action that this particular ingredient initiate after the consumption by the consumer. And rasa is the taste, just a sensory perception over the tongue. Guna is the attribute, the property of that plant. And virya is the potency, the energy, the efficacy it generates in our body after the consumption. Vipak is the post-digestive taste of this ingredient. Now, like we can see that in the karma, we have three dosa jita. That means it balances all the three doshas. Vrishya, Rasayana, Chakshusha, Rasayana is the rejuvenating uh, activity. Chakshusha is good for eyes, good for visual impairment. Vrishya, I don't remember. Yeah. So it has one, two, three, four, five. Like there are six rasas. It has all the five rasa. That's why the amla is known as pancha rasa, right? So amla, so you can see like the Sanskrit terminology and English terminology both has been given over here. Now we're moving towards the third uh, Dravya Guna, which is Guna. which is an attribute. It's light and dry in nature. And Veera is Sita, it's cold in potency. Vipak is Madhura, it's sweet. Post acid taste is sweet. Moving towards the other section of data, that's a common names. So you can see like the diversity of India, right? So in different local languages, this has it has different names. So you can also know different names of the local languages in code. Scientific classification data is over here. We also have the Wikipedia link over here. When I click, I get terminated to the Wikipedia link page. So this is how we search for the plant search using the botanical name. So thank you.